Welcome to my chef. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making Cacio de Pepe. And you're probably like, what did she just say? Cacio stands for cheese. Pepe is pepper, black pepper. So this is an Italian dish from Rome, and it's made with Pecorino Romano cheese, which is the Italian sheep milk cheese. It has a nutty, rich flavor. It's made with your pasta water and a little butter, some black pepper, some ground black pepper here, and just to garnish a little parsley on the top. Now, it's usually made with a very thick spaghetti called bucatini, which I had a hard time finding and I could not find. So I just picked up some thicker spaghetti, which is this. So it takes a little longer to cook than your usual spaghetti because it's made with a more durum semolina pasta. And so this is it cooked right here, and this is our pasta water, and that's a Pecorino Romano and our black pepper and our butter. So we're gonna get into our vitamin content and we're gonna enjoy this. So this is a classic Italian dish, very simple, very cost effective. If you're short on time, it's again all about technique for this. It's nothing hard with it. It's just about paying attention not to melt the cheese, but to have the cheese actually become very smooth and creamy to become a sauce, as opposed to like a paste. So that's all that's about. It's about watching the cheese, how it melts. So that's where the technique kind of comes in. But it's very cost effective, and it's something quick that you can get on the table for the family. There's no meat in here. No bacon for me on this. I mean, of course you can put bacon on anything, but traditionally the dish is not served with any meat. It is served with just black pepper and your protein from the cheese. So that's it. So it's something, if you're short on time, that you can make quickly. Okay, so we're gonna get into the vitamin content. Our pasta has vitamins B1, niacin, selenium, manganese, and copper. Our butter, vitamins A, B12, D, E, and K2. Black pepper, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, potassium. Pecorino Romano, vitamins A, B6, B12, calcium, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and folic acid. And our fresh parsley, vitamins A, B, C, K, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Pasta water has the vitamins from the pasta, which I just shared. Real facts. Seniors are greatly impacted by food insecurity. Did you know that senior women are more likely to be food insecure than senior men? To learn more, you can visit us at jdhcdc.org. We are making our thick spaghetti for Cacio de Pepe. Which means Cacio means cheese, Pepe means pepper. So it's a cheese and black pepper, you could say, sauce covering on your pasta, creamy and smooth. So we're gonna get it al dente, but we don't want it to stick, so that's why I keep moving it around so it doesn't stick. So it can be nice and loose. And all I did was put a little bit of Himalayan salt, not too much at all, and a little bit of oil so it wouldn't stick. That's all. Okay, so I've added some pasta water. I'm going to add a little bit more pasta water. And I'm going to lower our heat. Need about 1 teaspoon. Okay. I'm going to add some of my Pecorino Romano right here. And I'm going to go ahead and start mixing it. I lowered my heat so I can start mixing this. So I can start to get some of the creaminess of the sauce in here. If you need to add a little bit more, then you do so. I think I might have to add a little bit more. So our cacio e pepe was really fast to cook. It takes about 15-17 minutes. Again, the most hardest part to this is you don't want it to like melt like it's melting on pizza. You want the cheese to kind of become melted like a sauce. And so that's what you use the pasta liquid for. So we're gonna taste our cacio e pepe. Bon appetit. Okay, so first see if you can see some of that creaminess here. First see if you can see some of that creaminess here. Right, so I'm going to now taste it. It's, you know, just black pepper and cheese and the pasta and, you know, a little bit more Pecorino Romano that I put in, and my parsley. Pasta's thicker than I'm normally used to eating because this required bucatini pasta and I couldn't find it. So bucatini is like a round tubular pasta. So I did buy a thick pasta, but it wasn't bucatini. And so it takes a little bit longer to cook. And so it's a little thicker than I'm normally used to, but it's fine. Look at that creaminess right here. The creaminess, that shine that you see there is the creaminess. Now I did add some more black pepper on mine as a garnish. So I'm definitely tasting that black pepper effect right now. But for me, it's not like spicy, so it's okay. The cheese definitely has the nutty flavor. Now, I will say this. I added very little salt in my pasta water, but the cheese itself is a little salty. So if you're a person that has issue with your salt, I would say add less cheese for sure. And don't add any salt at all to your pasta water. And make sure your butter is unsalted. It's good. Quick to make, affordable. The only thing that's the most expensive is, you know, the cheese, because cheese in general, fresh cheese is always like that. But you see I'm eating it. So it's definitely very good. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets us here from the Ma Chef know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you. And that's exactly what we want to do. We want to put out content for you that is not just aesthetically pleasing for you, but also, you know, healthy for you. Things that you would enjoy, your family would enjoy being together. And if you're new to our channel, you're watching for the first time, welcome to Ma Chefin', where we give you a big hug. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I'm going to ask, please do so. Because subscribing to our channel lets us know that you are with us and you're enjoying what we're doing, and it encourages us to keep moving forward and creating new things for you. And if you want to know every time we upload a new video, hit that notification button and it'll let you know, hey, Ma Chefin' just put up a new video, and you can watch it. You can be one of the first to watch it. And a big thing for us here is sharing our channel. Sharing definitely is caring, and it shows us that you are caring about Ma Chefin' and that you like it and you want to share with other people. So please continue to share our channel. We do appreciate it. We thank you so much for giving up your time today, hang out with us and eat virtually. And I'd love for you to eat this physically by making it and letting me know how it came out for you. Did you OD on the pepper? Did your cheese melt or become like a sauce, a creamy sauce? So definitely let me know if you created this dish and what did you do different now. Like I said, the original is like this with no meat or anything like that. The protein is from the cheese. And there's like really no vegetables except for the parsley I put to garnish it. However, like everything in life, you could make your own version. You could edit and add things to it. You could add chicken to this if you want. You could add mushrooms to this if you can make it your own to your dietary needs and your restrictions and what fits your life. It is 4 basic ingredients, but if you want to add things to it, you can do that and make it more ingredients. I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I welcome you back when you come back again, when we have another video, to hang out with us again. Thank you so much. We love you. Have a great day.